Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? If you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, especially from a technical perspective. There are some key levels that were broken, and that's where I want to start things off because it actually will play into one of the key levels now going forward. But the overall area that had been doing a good job of holding strong was at 275 there. If you go through the history of things, you can see 275 did a good job of acting as support. And then earlier on in the day, did a fantastic job. I mean, you can see acting as support there. The price just went sideways right up above it. However, unfortunately, then late afternoon, the price did finally break below there. And when that occurred, that opened up the momentum to the downside. But that also is what segues into the first key level from resistance going into Thursday. And this is just based on the foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, not necessarily just on Thursday, but anytime in the foreseeable future, 275 is going to be that first key level to watch. In the event the price can actually break through 275, the next immediate level of resistance you would want to turn your attention to is that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, and that's currently valued at $2.82. However, as of right now, one hurdle at a time. And that first key hurdle that needs to be broken, again, right there at 275. And then it makes more sense to be talking about doing battle with the 50-period moving average. Now, on the flip side of things, what about levels of support? Well, the key level of support now going forward, which I don't think was tested today. Yeah, not quite. But keep an eye on that level down there around $2.55. 255, very, very important because, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to go down to 255 and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price right back inside of that area where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where everything started, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to occur, but that is why I would consider 255 a very, very important level of support going forward. So yeah, rough day today, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. Still a couple days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.